In Revit, walls are one of the main elements used to build your model. There are two main types of walls: basic walls and compound walls. A basic wall is a single-layer wall commonly used for simple interior partitions. A compound wall contains multiple layers such as structure, insulation, and finishes, perfect for exterior walls or detailed construction models. To start, go to the Architectural tab, then click Wall or use the shortcut W+A. In the Properties palette, choose the wall type, for example, Basic Wall, Generic 200 mm. Before placing the wall, check the following settings in the Properties palette. Set Base Constraint to Level 1. Set Top Constraint to Level 2. Set Location Line to Finish Face, Exterior, or Outer Face. This will place your walls according to the outer face along the grid lines. Click to place your start point, then click again to set the end point. You can also use drawing options like line, rectangle, or pick lines to follow existing grids or elements. Now let's use our grids. We have 3 vertical grids, A, B, C, and 3 horizontal grids, 1, 2, 3. Draw walls along these grids to form a simple rectangular structure. Draw walls along grid lines 1 and 3, horizontal. Then draw walls along grid lines A and C, vertical. This creates a closed rectangular shape that represents the building outline. To create a compound wall, click Edit Type, then select Duplicate and give it a new name. Under Structure, click Edit to open the wall assembly. Add multiple layers, for example, 100 mm concrete, 50 mm insulation, and 20 mm plaster finish. On the right side, you will see the Material panel. Click the small browser icon next to each layer to open the Material browser. From there, assign materials like concrete, insulation, or plaster finish. Materials control both the appearance and physical properties of your wall in renderings and analysis. Select all the walls, then in the Properties palette, choose the compound wall type. In the View control bar, change the detail level to Fine. You will notice that the wall has changed, and the different layers now appear clearly.